We'll see how to file taxes using Wealthsimple. You will be able to do net file, which opens from February 23rd of 2026. Until then, you can start building your return. And as you see, there are three different plans here: Basic, Plus and Pro. Basic will give up to 2 returns and you pay $0 or pay what you want. Now Plus will give up to 8 return, then there's an audit protection and priority email support. Pro has up to 20 return and then you also get a live advice from one of the expert. And depending on what you choose, the rates are given here. More you can find details here. If you don't already have a Wealthsimple account, in that case, just below the video in the description, you will find this Wealthsimple refer a friend link. When you click this refer a friend link and sign up Wealthsimple account, I'll show you that in detail. We both get $25 reward when you deposit $1 into Wealthsimple account. Either you click on this link if you are able to click, otherwise just copy this link like this. If you are on desktop, you can paste it on the search bar like this. When you paste it and enter, if it is on desktop, you see here I'm opening on desktop, you will see the screen where you have this sign up now to get a $25 referral bonus. So here you go and sign up to the Wealthsimple account. If you're using the referral link through mobile, then the app will open like this and you will be asked to sign up. Once you do that, once you sign in, I will get notified like this. You can see in progress. And when you do at least $1 deposit into your account, we both will get reward like this as you see on the screen. And for some reason you don't see the reward, remember you have to do the deposit within 30 days of initiation, and once you do that, we both will see this reward. If you don't see that reward, reach out to me and we will figure out how to get this added to your account. Make sure you have signed using my referral link. You can deposit that dollar amount into any account. Checking is just like any bank account where you have your checking account. You can deposit $1 here, or if you're eligible, you can deposit to TFSA or to non-registered tax account. If you're eligible for first home saving account and you have not opened, you can contribute even here. If you are eligible and you have not contributed to RRSP, in fact, the RRSP deadline, you can see here, March 2nd, 2026 is the deadline for contribution to RRSP for 2025 tax year. So if you have not contributed, by contributing here, you might be able to lower your taxes. So these are some of the options. In fact, I have made entire series on different account which you can open with Wealthsimple. So do check that out.